Hi everyone, it's Teresa back with Craving Crochet. Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me again today on the Craving Crochet channel. And today is Vintage Wednesday, and it's March 23rd, I believe it is today. Yes, it's Wednesday, March 23rd. We're almost at the end of March. Wow, time goes by so quick when you're having fun, doesn't it? So anyways, I'm here today just to let you know about our new Vintage Wednesday crochet along. Before I do that, I'm just going to show you what I'm wearing. I am wearing the winter white poncho that I recently made a tutorial for. I hope you can see it okay. It's really nice. I'm going to wear it to work today. And it's very warm, and it's made with that white sparkly yarn. And I also made the hat to match. It doesn't really go with it, like it's not exactly the pattern, but it's the same yarn. So there's the matching hat, and I love the sparkly yarn. You can't really see it in the camera, but that's what I'm wearing. And if you're interested in doing the tutorial, I'll leave the link for it here somewhere, either in the description or at the end of the video. And I also have a tutorial on how I make these hats. So I use my new Centro that I got. I made a double-sided hat, so it's two colors. One is black and one is white with the same kind of yarn. So it's really easy and fun to make. So what I've decided to do was to go with this beautiful contribution that one of my lovely subscribers and fellow sisters in Christ contributed, Lisa Walker. It's called the lounge dress, and it's a 60s style dress, it looks like, because it comes with a headband. You can't really see the headband in the picture. I'll put a picture in here somewhere. And it's actually made in UK terms. So what I will do is I'll leave a link, not a link, but I'll probably just put a description of like the UK conversion from UK to US, so that it'll make sense. So when it says a double crochet, it might mean something else for us being in North America. Yeah, so that's the project that I decided to choose. I think it'll be lovely. Now I got to find the perfect yarn for it. So if anyone has any suggestions on the yarn I should use, because I know you'll never be able to find the yarn that's recommended because they probably don't make it anymore. So I'll try and find something close to it. But if anyone has any recommendations, I would love to hear from you. Leave me a comment. What else was I going to say? So yeah, so this pattern was a pattern that a friend of mine recommended to me. So if there's anyone out there that has vintage patterns that you'd like to share with me, oh my goodness, please share them, please share them with this community. We would love to share. I've shared so many wonderful patterns, vintage patterns that I have a bit of a collection. One of the first things that I've made in the Vintage Wednesday series was the Juliet dress, which is beautiful. And I have all these patterns, by the way, on my Facebook group, Craving Crochet. I'll leave the link below. Just sign up. They're all there in the files section. So we did the Juliet dress, and then we did the crochet stole with pocket and sleeve. I actually took the time and wrote all these things down so I wouldn't have to be going by memory, because the list is getting longer and longer. And then we did the baby pebble dress. That's also on the Facebook group for free download. And then we did the lovely breakfast jacket. That was beautiful. That took a little time to make, but it's done and it's lovely and I love it. And I think you'll like it too. And then we did the floppy brim hat. The floppy brim hat, I believe that's what it was called. Floppy hat with brim. And then we did another one, the 1920s cloche. That was gorgeous as well. So again, like I said, these are all on Facebook for free download. And then the last one, I hope I didn't miss anything, but the last one we just completed was the easy crochet vest. And that's also available for free download. And I have someone who's having a little bit of trouble with it, I guess because they're newer to crochet. So I'm going to try and put together a quick tutorial. Just like with the Juliet dress, some people have problems with the cuff part. So I did a tutorial on making the cuff part of the sleeve. And that really helped a lot of people because a lot of people were like, oh, okay, now I get it. Thank you. So yeah, sometimes, I mean, you look at a pattern and you read it and you try it and you're like, huh? Does that ever happen to you? Let me know if that ever happens to you where you go, huh? What does that mean? And it could be the simplest things, but sometimes we're just so excited to make something and then we don't get it. It's like, what? So, and then thinking too, these are like older patterns. So it's like, is there any revisions that we missed? So anyways, that's what we're doing for this new crochet along. I hope you join me for this lovely lounge dress. It would be perfect for the spring and upcoming summer. Yeah, I hope you all participate, and it looks kind of easy. It's pretty easy. Let's hope so. So I know someone that's made it. So if I have any trouble with it, I will reach out to her. And yeah, I hope you try it out. The pattern will be there on Facebook, Craving Crochet, like I said. And thank you so much for watching.